In this video, you will be walked through the process of staking Tron inside the TronLink wallet to boost your bandwidth. In the previous tutorial video, you were shown how to use the Daisy contribution calculator, which tells you exactly how much TRX you need to stake in here, depending on how many tiers you are purchasing. Bandwidth is a necessary requirement when interacting with smart contracts on the Tron blockchain, as we are about to do here in the next video. Let's first show you where to find bandwidth in your wallet. You'll find the balance right here. First thing to note is that it replenishes and recharges every 24 hours. So depending on how much bandwidth you have, you're going to see this recharge and fill back up every 24 hours. Second thing to note is that this is not a cost, it's not an expense. It's only going to be frozen or staked for 72 hours. After that period of time, you can unstake it and do whatever you want with it, and we will show you an example of doing that later on in this video. You are given 1500 in bandwidth by default, which is roughly enough to purchase one tier in Daisy. Here under the TRX balance, if you click in there at any time, you can see how much Tron you have staked. Staked Tron is not usable for transaction fees and it's not movable. But here we see our available balance out of our total, how much is actually available to spend on transaction fees, gas fees, and to move around. Keep that in mind. So first thing you do is tap on this area right here that says stake. When it opens up, you want to tap on the tab called bandwidth. And here in this area right here, you're going to type in how much bandwidth you want to freeze or stake. I'll use 200 in this example. Right here you see how much bandwidth per day that amount of TRX is going to provide you in the wallet. Click next. It's going to automatically populate your TronLink wallet address as the receiving address for this bandwidth. And it's subtle, but down here you need to tick this little box to confirm. In order to highlight the button, click confirm. Enter your TronLink password and click done. And here we have our successful transaction. Click done. Here you can see we have now boosted the amount of bandwidth for this wallet. You can press the back in the top left to navigate back out. If you go back in here to Tron, you will see that the staked amount has now increased from 900 to 1100, and the available that we can move around and do what we want with has reduced. After 72 hours have passed, you will have purchased your tiers in Daisy. Perhaps you want to unstake the Tron and move it somewhere else. Go back into stake. Down the bottom you're going to see the staked amount. Click unstake now. And right here you will select the staked Tron. Here you can see that time to unstake. I have 3 days to wait at the time of recording this video. Once that's done, you simply select this and click confirm and enter your TronLink password. If you are using the Chrome or Firefox browser extension for TronLink, the process looks a little different. Open up the browser extension, click on stake in the same area. It's going to open up TronScan, and you want to click the button right here that says obtain. Make sure Tron power and bandwidth is selected from the list. Enter the amount that you wish to stake. It will pre-populate your TronLink wallet address. However, you do have the ability to stake Tron for other users. So if you are sharing Daisy with other people and they are not that technical, you can help them through the process of boosting their bandwidth by staking Tron for their wallet address, and you can unstake it 72 hours later. Click confirm, and then you'll click the button that says stake and sign the 2 confirmations pop-ups that happen right here. Once 72 hours has passed, you have purchased your tiers in Daisy. You may wish to unstake the Tron. You will see this button appear right here that says unstake. Click on that. Click unstake. You will get this pop-up window and click sign. If you staked Tron for somebody else's TronLink wallet, you will find that under here where it says for other users. You will see that right here and follow the same process. Congratulations, your TronLink wallet now has sufficient bandwidth to go ahead and purchase your tiers in Daisy. and we will show you exactly how to do that in the next video.